So in today's session, we are going to understand about view rules. So today we are going to understand about views, guys. Okay. In today's session, we are going to understand about views. Just a moment, please. So guys, today we designed, day before yesterday, we designed form, we created sections in the form. So we created first a table, finance case table. On the table, we designed the form and we created the sections on the form. Table is the base. Without table, we can't design the form, we can't create the sections. Now, what I mean to say is, on the form, we can have multiple views. On the form, we can have multiple views. Okay. I am going to create views on the form. You go to the finance case form, go to the tables. I am using shortcut, guys. I just open the tables, finance case table. You can use form builder. You can see whatever the form that we designed, whatever the sections that we created in the default view. You can see default view. Whatever the form that we designed, whatever the sections that we created in the default view. I am going to create a new view here by clicking on add here. I am just providing ITIL view. View name I am actually providing as ITIL view. So in the ITIL view, what are all the fields that you want to show? Okay. So guys, here you have to drag and drop all the fields. Okay. Here you have to drag and drop all the fields. Number field. So likewise, you have to drag and drop. So in the ITIL view, so whatever the whatever the form that we designed, whatever the sections that we created in the default view. I created a view called ITIL view. In the ITIL view, what are all the fields that I want to show? I can show it. So instead of using form builder, here form design will make my life easy. I'm just clicking on form design this time. Okay. Instead of using form builder, I'm using form design. Form design will make my life easy. So we created a default view. By default view will be created. We created an ITIL view. So in the ITIL view, okay, ignore about ITIL view, guys. I'm just creating another view by clicking on new here. Okay. Um, Major case view. Major case view. In this view, I want to show all the fields in a single column. Save this one. So we have default view, we have major case view. We will delete this ITIL view, guys. Okay. So let me delete this ITIL view. So all the views that you create, right, will be stored in the views in the system UI. Under system UI, there are views. Okay. ITIL. There is no ITIL view now. I deleted that. I deleted that. So by default view is there. Then I created a major case view. In the major case view, I am actually showing all the fields in a single column. Okay. I am actually creating. I am going back to the default view. I am creating a new view again. This is actually sales view I am creating. Hmm? Or case sales view. Views names he will give you. And will give you what will be the view name and all. Okay. So in this view, okay, I don't want contact type. I don't want impact, urgency, priority. Only these fields I want. In this, I don't want resolution. In this section, I don't want resolution information section. I don't want related record section. That's it. In the case sales view, default view, case sales view, major case view. Okay, I am going to create another view. That is actually self-service view. Self-service view. In the self-service view, I don't want caller, category, subcategory, configuration item. This one, state, impact, urgency, priority. I just want assignment, uh, single column, caller field will add. Okay, I want only these four fields and the sections. And that too, I want it in a single column. Okay. So this is a default view. This is actually a major case view. This is actually case sales view. This is self-service view. Okay. I'm going to create another view. I'm going to create another view. Okay. Power view. In the power view, I don't want any section. I don't want any section in the power view. Only these fields I want. Okay. So we have default view 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 views on this form. Table is same, but we have different form views. Table is same, finance case table, but we have different form views. One is actually default view, major case view, case sales view, self-service view, power view. Okay, clear, right? So likewise, you can create as many views as you want. You can create as many views as you want. Okay. So I am going to the table and clicking on show form here. Okay. This is a default view. This is a default view. Okay. So just create the record. This is a new record, right? Just create the record. Okay. After creating the record, so system ID is generated. It's not a new record. It's a created record. You can see number is there. If it is if you see a new record here, it's a new record. System ID will be -1. It is not a new record. This record is already created. Just click on this hamburger menu. You can see view here. Case sales view, default view, major case view, power view, self-service view. I am going to the major case view. So in the major case view, you can see view is major case. So this is how you are able to see the form. This is how you are able to see the form. Same finance case form only, but you are able to see it in major case view. Go to the power view. So in the power view, there won't be any sections. Is there any sections in the power view? No. Go to the case sales view. In the case sales view, you're able to see only one note section. If you go to the self-service view, you will be able to see only 4 fields and remaining sections. You can see number, caller, assignment group, assigned to, short description, and these 3 sections. Getting my point? Okay. So that means table is one, but we can see the form in different views. Okay. Till this point, everybody is clear, right? Table is one. We can see the form in different views. Okay. I'm again going back to the default view. Okay. Yes. So for different users, you want to show different things. Let us say for sales department guy, show in the sales view. For HR department guy, show in the HR view. For different people, show in different views. In different places, show in different views. For different people, show it in different views. In different places, show it in different view. See, here I am selecting the, see, you all know users. I am just opening the users here. User administration. So this is actually user form. This is user form. You all know this. This is user form, right? So in the user form, what are all the fields I'm able to see? User ID, first name, last name, title, department, password, password, its reset, lockout. All these fields we are able to see here. This is the user default view. Let me just open one already created record. You can see user default view, user ITIL view. This is user ITIL view. User asset view. This is user asset view. User business card view. See, user table, user form, different views. Okay. So you are able to see self-service view. Okay. You are able to see service portal view. This is service portal view. You are able to see workspace view. User form, we are able to see it in different views, right? Okay. Fine. Now you go to the finance case form. You are referencing users here. So I am selecting Ramakrishna user account. If you click on this one, you are able to see different view here. This is actually one view. It's called CXS view. This is actually one view. Okay. So let me just open this one. CXS pop-up. Okay. So now what I'm doing is right click, configure, go to form layout. CXS pop-up view. Okay, now you go to the finance case form. You select the Ramakrishna user account. You can see earlier you were able to see multiple fields, right? Now you are able to see only few fields, right? So whatever the fields that I selected here, user ID, first name, last name, email, language, only those only I am able to see, right? Because I changed that in a CXS underscore pop-up view. That means for different peoples, you want to show in different views. At different places, you want to show it in different views. Getting my point? You're clear? See, whenever you select Ram Krishna here, earlier we were able to see Ram Krishna first name, last name, Ram Krishna title. We were able to see everything. Now we are able to see only five here because I changed the view. I changed the view here. Okay. So I'm just opening the portal, guys. So go to request something. So resignation form. Okay. So here also we are referencing, this is also a reference type of field. Here also we are referencing users. I am selecting Ramakrishna name here. Whenever I click on this one, so how are we seeing here? The view is changed, right? User ID, first name, last name, email, language. Okay. View is changed or not? Earlier we were able to see all the fields. Now we changed the view. So what I meant to say is we use different views for different people. Okay. See, I have particular role. I have admin role so that I'll be able to see every field. I have only ITIL role. Then I should be able to see only few fields. I have no roles. I should be only see few fields. So then what will I do? I will actually show it in different views. Getting my point? So if you take a look at here, users, user administration. So you are able to open the user account here. Okay. Let me just go back to the default view. The default view, I changed it. Okay. I did change it in the default view. Isn't it changed in the CXS pop-up view? So I changed it in the default view. It should be changed into the sys pop-up view. We'll discuss about this one later, guys. Sys pop-up view. Okay, CXX pop-up view and sys pop-up view. We'll discuss about this one later. So, in a nutshell, I'll keep it in a different way to show the different views in different users. For sales department users, I have to show it in the case sales view. Okay. For few department users, I want to show it in different view. I want to show it in different view. Okay. So to show the forms in different views for different users, we will use views. So to show the forms in different views for different users, we will use view rules concept. That view rules concept we are yet to discuss. So what do we write here? The view rules. Okay, if a person who has logged in belongs to sales department, the finance case form should be shown in the case sales view. We will write the logic here. In the view rules, we will write the logic. What logic we will write? If a person who has logged in is from sales department, see here, this guy is from customer support department. This guy is from sales department. Let us say this Don has logged in. This Don has logged in. He belongs to sales department. And when he tries to open this form, finance case form, for him it should be shown in the case sales view. So we'll have to write the view rules. We haven't written it. We have to yet to write the view rules. Based on the view rules, that particular person see in that particular view. Getting my point? Based on the view rule, we write. Based on that logic, a person will be able to see in that particular view. Okay. So in the tables, if you take a look at incident table, in the incident table also we have different views. I'm opening the incident table. Okay. If you just click on show form or show list. So let me create the record. Right click, click on hamburger menu, go to view. In the incident form, how many views are there here? CXX pop-up view, default view, ITIM workspace view, major incidents view, metrics view, mobile view, password view, playbook card view, self-service view, service operations workspace view, service portal view, SOW, assign model view, uh, visual dashboard view, workspace view. I'm just clicking on metrics view. So the incident form is actually showing like this in the metrics view. Hmm? Incident form is actually showing in the mobile view, something like this one. So in the mobile, it will be showing like this one. So likewise, every table has forms. Those forms, every table has form views. Those form views are displayed based on the view rules. Those form views are displayed based on the view rules. Those view rules we will discuss in coming sessions. That requires little bit scripting knowledge. Getting my point? Okay. So we created how many views on the finance case form, guys? View underscore. We have default view. We have default view, major case view, case sales view, self-service view, power view. 5 views. On every view, sections will be created, guys. If you go to the form sections here, form section. So what is our table name? Finance case table. U underscore finance underscore case table. U underscore the finance case table. You can see how many views are here. Let me group by this one view. Let me group by view. You can see here the case sales view. There are 2 sections. One is note section, another one is actually section without name. In the default view, there are actually 4 sections. One is section without name, note section, resolution information, related record section. In the major case view, there are actually 4 sections. One is section without name, note section, resolution information, related records. So that means in every view, all sections are created. Whenever a view is created, in every view, sections are created. You getting my point? In the like in the default view, sections are created, right? Likewise, in every view, sections are created. See, in the default view, first of all, when we created the table, we designed the form, we created the sections, right? So those all are created in the default view. In the default view, section without name and all the sections. And later we created these sections, right? In these sections also, so in these views also sections created. Getting my point? So if you want to delete a particular view, first of all, you have to delete them. You have to delete these form sections. After deleting the form sections only, you can delete the views. You're getting my point? If you want to delete a particular view, you have to delete the sections related to that view, then you can delete the view. Suppose I want to delete major case view, guys. Okay. So then what I will do, I'll go to views. Under system UI, I'll go to views. Major case view, right? We created. Major case view we created. I'm trying to delete this one. If I try to delete this one, it won't be deleted. It won't be deleted. It looks like it is deleted, but it will be still appearing here. Major case is deleted. Huh? That means sections also deleted. Without deleting the sections, you can see sections are deleted or not. Sections also deleted. So without deleting the sections, you can't delete the view. So when you are deleting the view, what is happening? It is also deleting the sections as well. You're getting my point. So when you are deleting this view here, it was asking a pop-up. It will also delete the sections. Getting my point. It will also delete the sections before that. it will delete the sections and it will delete the view as well. So without deleting the sections, you can't delete a view, guys. Getting my point? Whenever a view is created, along with the view, sections also will be created. If you want to delete a view, sections also should be deleted. You guys are clear, right? So that is actually about views creation, guys. So we'll be discussing view rules in coming sessions. View rules requires little bit scripting knowledge, guys. So once we start the scripting, then we'll discuss about view rules. Hope you guys are clear. Yes, Nilima, we will use JavaScript for the logic. I have unmuted everyone. You can ask your questions, guys. So for this for this logic, we'll use JavaScript. For view rules, we'll use JavaScript logics.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, yesterday you said about the backslash command, sir, but it is not working in mine, sir. Should we use any command along with backslash, sir?
No, no, no. You just use backslash. That's it.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. It's not working in mine, sir.
Uh, have you added the extension?
Yes,
Check
sir.
the,
Yesterday I have. Yes, sir. I have added a extension.
you can share your screen if you can.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm unable to share my screen, sir.
I have allowed you to share your screen. You can share it now.
1 second, sir. Yes, sir.
You can use directly backslash.
It's
Come out
not
of that
open.
application navigator. Use
Yes, sir.
yeah. Let me take the control.
Yes, sir.
I don't have an option to take your control.
Okay, sir. Tomorrow I'll bring my laptop to our institute, sir. It's okay, sir.
No, you can do it now. Looks like you haven't added the extension here. Go to the new tab. Okay,
Okay,
now
sir. Okay, sir. Now it got, sir. I got, sir. Thank you, sir. Hello.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir.
It is coming right. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So create those farm views, guys. Okay. Create 7 to 8 farm views and delete 2, 3. See, guys, you should know construction and destruction both. If you know driving, if you don't know how to take it reverse, that means you are not an expert. You should know the construction and you should know the destruction as well. We understand how to create a table. If I want to delete a table, I can also delete a table. After deleting it, if I want to recover it back, how can I recover it back? Getting my point? So similarly, we created the views and how to delete them and how to modify the views. If I have to modify a particular view, what should I do? I'll go to the form builder or form design or form layout. I'll select the first particular view. In that view, which field you want to show, you will add that field and you will save it. If I have to delete a particular view, then what you will do, you will delete all the sections related to that particular view, and then you will delete the view. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi, Neelaman.
Uh, so, uh, so if we want to restrict someone to view the particular view, we can do
We
it
have,
with the view rule.
yes,
So, like whatever we mentioned in the view rule, only it allows only that particular department to view
yes,
the particular view.
yes.
Okay, sir. You showed us some sys pop-up view, so
Mhm.
you will be telling that in detail
When
in different.
when we are
In different.
discussing view rules concept, then I'll be explaining about that.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Yeah, Vinay, you're right. If a field is present in three views, if you change, if any changes we have done on that field, it will affect in all the views. You're right.
And sir, one more thing. So JavaScript concept. So in the starting, you have been told that, like we have been told that there would be some logics for writing process flows and all. So
Mhm.
in that also we use JavaScript.
So for flow designer, you don't have to use JavaScript. That is actually without coding, we can actually without JavaScript we can achieve it using flow designer.
Okay, so it is already
Uh,
inbuilt in service now.
yeah,
Just
but
kind of drag and drag.
for few topics we need JavaScript.
Okay. Sir, one more thing, like while designing the form, for example, if something um, like resolved by some calendar field is there.
Mm,
So I have to make it if it should not be more than some 10 days. It should, the particular incident should not take more than 10 days.
mm,
So
mm.
for writing those kind of
Yes,
logics, can we use them? I mean, do we have any concept here to
yeah,
write those kind of?
definitely. We have to write an on-change client script concept. In that on-change client script, we'll have to use JavaScript.
Okay, so that
Let us
also
say
would
there is
be
a field called date field. So
okay.
you created a date type of field. In the date type of field, so you should be able to select 10 days from the current date. So if
Okay,
you select past dates, if you select future dates from the 10 days from
it should
now,
not allow.
it should not allow. So for
Yeah.
that, we have to write we have to write a on-chain client script. The client script concept will come into picture. So
Okay.
in that client scripts concept, you have to write JavaScript.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.